What's up, guys? Welcome to an episode of Tech Out Your RV. Now, this isn't super techy, but it definitely deserves a shout out and a video in this series, is the Lagun table mount arm, because this thing is designed so kick butt. You can do so much with this. This is like perfect for like van life, campers, RVs, that kind of stuff, because you can mold it and shape it into basically any position you want once you've got this thing mounted. So I highly recommend it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, what you buy is you just get the arm from Lagun. So you can see here, lagun.com. They've got the little website right here on the pole itself. Now, what makes this really cool is, so I've mounted it right here. Now, if you're familiar with the Basecamp at all, an Airstream Basecamp, there is a little entryway here. So, as you can see here, you can actually open this door down here and you can get in behind here. So I went ahead and mounted this to where you can, easily get to the back side and get the nuts and bolts and stuff on it to support this weight. Now, I did not use the plastic that came with it. I actually cut some old floorboards up and used it there. I felt that was a little more good for support. So this will support up to 50 pounds. So you're going to be cautious when you select a table that you want to use. So obviously it doesn't come with a table. I actually repurposed this tabletop. Got lucky. The missus found an old table along the road and picked it up. So what I did was I cut this this is like 16 by 30 now, I believe, which seems to be about the perfect size for me on this. And I don't know what type of wood this is, but I'd go with a lighter type wood, like Cypress, Cedar if you wanted to. You'd probably get by with pine, probably get by with maple. I wouldn't go into the heavier woods like the oaks and stuff like that, because you're going to give up weight for what you can actually put on this. Again, they recommend 50 pounds max for the Lagun arm. So I actually stripped this down. I had some clear coat on it. I used a wire brush. Try to give it that reclaimed wood look, and then put a little layer of polyurethane on it. So I didn't want to do dark. I kind of wanted it to match the interior of the Basecamp, and I think it does to a degree. And it looks, kind of used and rugged and stuff like that. And that's what I was going for. So what makes this arm so cool is you can position this table. As you can see, it moves just about any way possible. So here we're doing another little turn. Now I've got it kind of sideways a little bit more. And the nice thing is, and we'll tear this down here, this comes off. This is all removable down to the mount. So say I want to start moving, I don't want to use this workspace, or I want to put this into a bed position and I want to remove this, so I just take this apart in about 3 pieces and I store it, and I'm good to go at that point. And so let's go ahead and show you how easily this does come apart. And I'm going to have to put the camera down. I'm a one-man crew, so I will put the camera down and we will take a look at it after I tear it apart. We'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. So I did tear the table off. Super easy. Basically uncrank this up at the top. You can just turn it with your fingers. It's got a nice little area where the table mount goes. As you can see, I've mounted it onto the bottom of this tabletop. And then the rest of this just comes apart. Same way. You just unscrew this, take this blower off, and unscrew this, and take this off. And it is all torn apart and ready to store and go. Or you could just leave it like this if that's no problem. Just take the tabletop off and then you can move this like so, and it's out of the way. Is that not cool? This also raises, so I can move it up, I can move it down. So I've got a lot of adjustability with this stand, which makes this a marvel of engineering in its own right. That again, you can flip it around. So if I took the tabletop off now, if I wanted to put the table on over here and have a standing desk, so I'm over here at the galley, I could actually have a standing desk right here. And got the screen door open, the fan would be on, and I'd have a nice little breeze coming through here to do some stand-up work. I don't have to sit. And then this will raise up, so you can use it as kind of a raising desk and stand and work. So definitely got some flexibilities with the use of this, and I absolutely am a fan of this table mount. As you can see here now, I'm back in the position that I normally would use it. So anyway guys, this is just a quick video in this episode of Tech Out Your RV. Again, not super techy, but definitely something worth bringing up because it is definitely a piece of working remote. And we're going to have another series called Working Remote or Working From Anywhere. And this is part of that setup. So I'm definitely going to share it in this series. And it's coming up again because you're going to see a pretty kick-butt remote desktop setup for working remote. If you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show, share if you'd like. Check out the rest of the episodes in this series because they will be good information for you, especially if you're looking for some RV tech gear. Working remote, working from anywhere, all that good stuff. And as always guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.